Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for November 16 to 30, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And also, just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Ayan, so for you Libra, this is your bracelet. Meron tong rhodonite, bloodstone, and blue apatite na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Libra. So, available na tayo sa packaging ng box, no? Transparent box. So, andito yung information sa likod. Available yan sa black, and then meron din tayong white na box. Ayan. Black and white. So, syempre, available pa rin naman yung pouch, no, for your personal use. But, kung gusto nyo tong ipang regalo, no, maganda siyang ipang regalo. Mas presentable siyang tingnan. Available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. Pwedeng COD dyan. So, kumusta naman kayo, Libra? It's been a while nung last reading sa inyo. So, anyway, let's see. Ano yung energies for you? For Libra, what's up? Kumusta mga Libra? Energy update. King of Cups. You have a lot of love to give. Iba sa inyo in love. Pwedeng iba, meron kayong pinupursue, sinusuyo, no? Or someone is in love with you. Or, merong pwede tong secret admirer. Oo, yung vibes na nakikita ko rito. Kasi this person is, I feel like this person is stalking you or admiring you from afar. So, malayo siya. Pwedeng long distance relationship or connection. You also have the Chariot. So, pwedeng you are dealing with a Cancer or a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like, meron kang journey. Meron kang gustong gawin sa buhay na at this point, you are still deciding where to go. Oo. Pwede kasing iba, meron kayong ka-long distance relationship and iniisip nyo kung kayo ba ay pupunta doon or siya yung pupunta dito para mag-meet kayo. You have the Five of Cups, may disappointment. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi ito matuloy, yung meet up. Possible rito na both of you might be very busy. Okay? Pwedeng maging busy kayo pareho na hindi nyo to, yung tipong meron kayong plinano na, sa ganitong panahon, magkikita tayo, we will travel, we will go to some places, pero meron ditong it can be an event na naging dahilan para hindi to matuloy. I'm seeing someone na isu-surprise. Okay? Someone might be surprising you. Yung tipong, alam mo yung prank, ipaprank ka na, hindi tayo magkikita kasi busy ako. Pero, yung pala, meron siyang ibang plano. This person is so in love with you. Grabe. Gagawa to ng effort for you. And, yung iba naman sa inyo rito, no, if this is not related to romantic relationship, meron kang opportunity sa trabaho ngayon na hindi mo nakuha. Opportunity, tapos hindi mo nakuha. Yung tipo, may in-applyan ka, nag-apply ka na umangat yung position mo for a higher position, and then hindi ka natanggap. Yung iba, parang inisipin nyo, bakit ganun, di ako natanggap? But actually, you are being led, no? Ginaguide ka sa isang mas magandang opportunity na kung saan mas mapapabuti ka pa doon sa bagong opportunity na yon. Oo, kasi dun ka mas, 'di ba? You have the Empress. Dun ka mas magiging successful. Dun ka mas magiging creative. Dun mo mas magagamit yung talents and skills mo. Dun mas magiging abundant yung situation mo. So this can mean, yun nga, may in-applyan kang job or position sa trabaho or may sinubukan kang business na hindi nag-work out. It's okay kasi that's your learning process and there's a new opportunity opening up for you na kung saan mas abundant yung situation mo doon, yung mararamdaman mo doon. Marami kang success cards dito. You also have the Devil card and then the Three of Wands. I feel like you are maaring meron kang mga i-explore na mga bagong opportunities for you. Ito kasing the Devil card is the energy of a Capricorn. And ang Capricorn is related to career, business, you know. I think for you, mas iisipin mo kung saan ka mas uunlad, saan ka magpo-progress. Okay? Kasi the Three of Wands is also about expansion. So, I think you are expanding your reach, no, yung mga kaya mong abutin. Let's see what else. You have the Seven of Cups. A lot of opportunities opening up. Meron ditong offer, okay? Meron ditong tempting offer that makes sense with the Devil card here na pwedeng mag-open a different opportunity sa'yo tapos offeran ka na, uy, ito na lang kunin mo kasi ganito yung susweldohin mo, ganito yung kikitain mo. But meron ditong catch na hindi mo nakikita, no? May underlying situation na pwedeng tinatago sa'yo. So, be very careful sa mga papasukin mong projects, collaboration, opportunities. Kasi yung iba dyan nagpapanggap na opportunity. Pero, hindi naman pala. Okay? So, but eventually, you will see yourself succeeding. Okay? Meron ditong success. Yung iba, meron kayong abroad opportunities, traveling abroad. O yung iba sa inyo nasa abroad na. Meron ditong safe heart and home. Ayan. Safe home yung nakuha kong energy rito. So, some of you, maaring bibili kayo ng sarili nyong bahay or masisecure nyo ang isang very safe na tahanan or bahay or property para sa inyong family. May recognition. Meron kayong award na marireceive or i-recognize kayo sa trabaho. Kaya meron ditong celebration. Meron ding hassle. Ano tong problema na to? Oh, yeah. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Be careful din sa pagpasok sa mga contracts. Okay? Mga kontrata, mga agreement. Make sure na binasa mo. Kasi pwedeng eventually magkaroon ka ng issue or mahassle ka, magka-problema dahil meron kang mga hindi naintindihan or hindi mo binasa ng maayos yung kontrata pero nandun naman pala, ano? So, kaya nga may very tricky energy dito na sinasabi sa'yo na, dito ka mas magiging successful or ito mas magandang offer. So, you have to study, pag-aralan mong maigi kung totoo ba yung kiniklaim ng tao na to, no, or ng company na to na mas magiging maganda ba sa'yo yun or hindi. You have to be more inquisitive. Yung tanungin mo, ask questions, no? Kung pwede isulat mo yung mga tanong mo bago doon sa interview na yon or bago ka makipag-usap or makipag-deal sa isang tao para wala ka makaligtaan. Lahat maging klaro sa'yo. Release what you've been carrying and lighten up. New joy is on the way. Meron kang i-release na nagpapabigat sa buhay mo at you are embracing something new. Now is the time to get out into the world and connect in authentic ways. Yes. So you're becoming true to yourself. Mas nagpapakatotoo ka ngayon. You wouldn't care, no, if people will like you or not. Kasi alam mo na yung pinapakita mo sa kanila is yung totoong ikaw. And you will attract the right people by being you, by being authentic. Stay grounded and welcome the new knowledge and perspective coming to you. So, merong bagong knowledge yung iba sa inyo. May mga pag-aaralan, may training kayong aatenan. So, meron kang mga bagong kaalaman or skills na pwedeng magpaunlad sa buhay mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.